I state your name.
I, Vincent Franco Domingo Frasco,
Of
of the 5th District of Cebu,
having been elected as Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives,
having been elected as Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives,
hereby solemnly swear
hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position
and of all others
and of all others
I may hereafter hold
I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the Philippines.
the Constitution of the Philippines,
I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same.
and allegiance to the same,
That I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees promulgated
and decrees promulgated
by the duly constituted authorities
by the duly constituted
of
authorities
the Republic of the Philippines.
of the Republic of the
And
Philippines,
that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.